A day in my Bajji's life. Good morning from my little feathered family. Our day starts with Bajji, who is busy incubating her eggs. And look at her partner. He's right outside the nest box, keeping watch over his little family. After checking on them, it's time to clean their cage. It was a little messy, so I gave their home a proper clean and made it fresh and comfortable again. Then, fresh drinking water for everyone. And now comes my favorite part, bath time. Look at these little ones enjoying the water. They absolutely love splashing around and playing during their morning bath. After their bath, I gave them some fresh coriander leaves. They happily started enjoying their little treat. And finally, it's breakfast time. I gave them their regular seeds. And of course, they were ready to eat. So this is what a simple day looks like in my Bajji's world. A little family time, cleaning, bathing, fresh greens, and a good meal. They may be small, but they definitely keep me busy. And honestly, taking care of them is always worth it when I see them happy. Thanks for spending a little part of their day with us. See you in the next video.